Now, in addition to fishing farther and farther away from the coast, we're also fishing deeper and deeper. And here are the data showing that. This is average depth in meters through time, starting in 1950. And the average depth of fish catches is deeper and deeper, and modern technology has enabled that. New discoveries of deep sea populations, orange roughy off New Zealand, Patagonian toothed in the Southern Ocean. So this pattern is pretty obvious. There were, and the whole history of fishing has been one of pretty much sequential depletion. One stock is overfished, and then the fishery moves on to another stock that's newly discovered someplace else, whether it's deeper or farther away. And we've run out of new stocks to exploit, pretty much. And so that's partly why the patterns are what they are. These are the global patterns of fisheries. This is total catch per year, million metric tons, starting in 1970. And the peak fishing globally, the total amount of catch reached a peak in the mid-80s and has been on the decline since then. So this is what the global picture of fish catches looks like. Global fisheries peaked and are now declining. According to FAO, 25% of global fisheries are very significantly depleted now, and that number was 0 in 1950. So the percentage of fish in different categories, how the UN evaluates how much it's overfished, has been changing very dramatically, and it's mostly in the last couple of decades. And a paper published in Nature in 2003 provides some very compelling evidence that about 90% of the great big huge fish of the oceans are gone. The tuna, swordfish, marlin, sharks, the great big huge icons are no longer in those oceans. 90% of them have been removed by industrial scale fishing. We've just gotten so good at catching them, there are just not that many left.